Everyone. So in this video, I'm talking about this power bank. It's Anker MagGo Power Bank. It's 10,000 milliampere and it's the ultra slim version. So you have two options. You can either charge your phone wireless or you can charge it wired. So today I'm going to show you how to charge it wireless. Sorry, wired. So first let's check the wireless. So yeah. Okay, and then what you need to do is there's this button here. You have to let me show you. Right now it's charging. You can see here in the corner. So what I'm gonna do is hold it. Yep, it's not charging. Because once you hold it, the light here will be gone to stop showing up. So that means it's not using the wireless charging anymore. So then simple, just use the cable that you get when you got the power bank. Okay, it's not charging. I plugged it. There it goes, charging. So it's as simple as that. So this I prefer to use this method, especially if I'm out taking pictures, videos. There, it's normal. The phone sometimes dies fast, especially if you are under the heat or it's outside. So because the battery drains faster. So if you charge wireless, the problem is it's more handy, but it will uh, give so much heat. So I don't want that. That's why I prefer this cable. And yeah, I haven't tried any other power bank, so I'm grateful. This power bank can do it. So as you can see here, there's four lights. That means it's the power bank is full charge. And the fifth one indicates if it's charging wireless. So it's not on right now. That means it's charging through the cable. So if you just want to switch to wireless, just remove the cable, hold it, it will start charging wireless. And if you don't want to do that way, just remove the cables, take this off, magnet it back. It will start charging wireless. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or let me know if this helped you in choosing your power bank.